for the Long Las Ogwen, if we think Bethesda to here, you don't need a high tech. You don't need high tech gear, do you?
No.
For that trail, you don't need, as my bike probably demonstrates. But
Yeah.
yours isn't that fancy, is it?
No.
But anyway, my bike here, it's a converted e-bike. Yeah, I live in Mynydde Llanfairpwll, which it's fine on the way to Bangor. Great, it's downhill pretty much all the way. Where this comes in handy, and it is on the way back up the hill. So I'm not a lean, mean machine and not super fit. That's okay. I then use the engine to whiz me back up the hill.
Ja, wel, bob dydd dwi'n seiclo, wel, bron bob dydd dwi'n seiclo o Bethesda i Fort Eithwy, ac mae'n dipyn bach o bellter. Ond ti ddim yn angen unrhyw beth yn rhy cymleth er mwyn neud y fath beth, felly dwi just prynu y bag ail law ar eBay. Wrth gwrs mae trousers dal dŵr yn syniad da o droi dro, achos mae hi yn bwrw glaw dipyn bach yn y Gogledd Cymru. Yr un beth sy'n pwysig, wel, y dau beth sy'n pwysig dwi'n meddwl ydy'r het, er mwyn diogelwch, a penny rec efo bag.
So there's three things. So it's saving money, saving time, it saves me stress in parking and driving on the roads. And then I suppose the fourth one, which is less obvious, but I get a lot of benefit from, is riding through North Wales, from Bethesda down the hills, looking at our, the mountains, and then riding down the Long Las Ogwen and seeing the different seasons and the flowers and they're really a nice way to arrive in Bangor ready for your busy day. It's a no-brainer.
Ac hefyd, dwi'n meddwl bod hi'n cael effaith positif ar yn iechyd meddwl hefyd. Achos dwi'n seiclo drwy y coedwig a'r blodau ar y ffordd i'r gwaith ac yn ôl. Ac mae, i fi, mae'n teimlo yn da iawn.
Every time you get on your bike, every kilometre you ride, whether it be 1 kilometre, 8 kilometres, you're saving on carbon emissions that are going up. So for me, I find that quite pleasing because I've got all these advantages, plus I'm reducing my global carbon emissions. So it just kind of feels good.